Hello everyone, I'm Ioannis Kazanidis from Democritus University of Thrace. In this work, we examine how augmented reality can support holistic development in elementary physical education through classroom intervention. In modern societies, physical education has an important role in quality education thanks to its contribution to students' full development. Today, children face increasing inactivity. Traditional physical education struggles to captivate and motivate young learners. Immersive technologies like augmented reality offer new ways to deliver physical education. They provide interactive, real-world scenarios that can increase engagement, support motor learning, and enhance autonomy. Despite growing interest in XR technologies for education, research on the use of augmented reality in elementary physical education remain limited. In particular, circuit training using mobile AR tools has not been studied in depth. There is a need for a robust mixed method research. Our study examined the impact of augmented reality on five domains of student development: the physical, cognitive, psychological, social domain, and attitudinal. We used both quantitative and qualitative methods for analysis. The participants of our intervention were 22 students from the 5th and 6th grade in a Greek primary school. The sample included both boys and girls, all in good physical and cognitive health. We conducted two physical education sessions using AR Tutor, an augmented reality platform developed by our AETMA lab. AR Tutor enables educators to create interactive augmentations without any programming skills. It is freely available for educational use, and you can find it at the link you can see at the slide. During the sessions, students used tablets and smartphones to scan printed markers, which triggered instructional videos, guiding them through each activity. For every activity, students initially scanned the images to view the augmented reality videos. They practiced the exercise in real time, and they have alternate roles between performing and guiding. So students were working in pairs, as you can see at these images. To evaluate the experience, we used a post-intervention questionnaire and held a focus group with a subset of students. Data were collected for each of the five research domains. And now let's see the results. In terms of physical outcomes, as we can see, 90.9% enjoyed the movement activities. Also, the 72.7% liked the sport experience with augmented reality. I have to say that the girls were less active than the boys, and all of them they had willingness to participate using augmented reality in their physical exercises. The psychological outcomes included high levels of enjoyment and confidence. Anxiety was low, while relaxation and sense of accomplishment were high. Students described the session as fun and different from what they have used to do till now. Cognitively, students reported full concentration and no distractions. The videos were easy to understand, and students remembered the correct exercise sequences during the assessment. Regarding the social outcomes, students enjoyed the peer-based structure. They provided each other feedback and learned to handle disagreements constructively. Pair work was rated highly in interviews and the surveys. The attitudinal responses were very positive. Students asked to use augmented reality in other subjects and preferred augmented reality-based physical exercises over traditional instruction. The novelty and independence were seen as motivating for them. Overall, augmented reality supported multiple aspects of learning: motivation, engagement, emotional safety, and skills retention. It created an inclusive, interactive, and enjoyable physical exercises experience. Our proposed approach is scalable. It can be adapted for other subjects as well or other age of groups and requires only low-cost mobile devices that supports AR Core or either iPhone devices. The instructional design is reusable and flexible, and so it can be used in many educational interventions. However, there are still several limitations. The small and localized sample and the future research should expand the scale, include diverse population, and measure long-term effects beyond the novelty phase. Thank you for your attention. You can send us questions at our emails. Also, scanning the provided QR code, you can download the AR tutor, the augmented reality application that we used for our intervention. Thank you.